Alright, it's pouring rain out, but we made it here to Six Flags, which you can see all around me. Right back there, Six Flags New England, for the Food and Brew. Now, they have all kinds of food that we're going to check out, and 75 different beers. And I got to try them all. So let's go. Well, we were just informed that the Food and Brew is not happening, I guess due to weather. I'm really not happy because look at this. I was like, we have over here all the stuff I was going to try. We have sausage on a stick, kielbasa with sauerkraut. Look at that stuff. And over here we had wings. We had wings and fried meatballs. Denied. Alright, it's pouring out. I've been denied my beer festival, but we're going to try to get on some rides anyways. We'll see what's open. So far a bunch of stuff has been closed, but we're still trying to have fun. Alright, so the sun is now out and it's brilliant and sunny, just like a great day to come to the park. No one's here because it was pouring buckets earlier. So we've got the run in the park to hit rides, and we've already done a couple of roller coasters that were really fun. That's about it. Let's get to some more. That's Superman down and several other posters. Alright, it's time for a quick refresh and then we're off. We're here with Supergirl, who is Caitlin's favorite superhero. Where'd she go? She needs to come in. Oh, there she is. All right, we gotta get your picture with Supergirl. Well, we've had a really good time despite the rain and the fact that the food festival and the beer festival is shut down. We're gonna grab a nice coffee. say hello to Batman today.
Hey guys, how are we doing?
All right, we're glad the sun came out today. It's not a gloomy day in Gotham. Have a good one. All right, so despite the rain earlier and the beer event being canceled, we still had a lot of fun here at Six Flags, and I just got to meet Batman. That's pretty cool. Well, I was supposed to try 75 different beers today, but I only got one. I'll take it. Still pretty good on a hot day. All right, so we had a great rainy day here at Six Flags, and well, we didn't have to wait in a lot of lines for a lot of the really fast, awesome roller coasters. So we still had a good time, and I still got a beer. And now I'm going home with a giant thing of kettle corn. So hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.